Hello, and welcome to the continuation of this podcast series, Drugs, Biologics, and Medical Devices. Is this really as simple as so many think? My name is Dr. Michael Drews. In the next example, I'd like to take a look at the question, is a thermometer a medical device? Well, as we've discussed already, the short answer to every question in regulatory affairs is it depends. So what does it depend on? It depends on how we intend to use it. In other words, if we intend to use a thermometer like this to check the doneness of a turkey that we're making for Sunday dinner or perhaps for Thanksgiving, then clearly it's not a medical device. Although, ironically enough, FDA does regulate food, and so perhaps this could be considered a food device. That's the topic of a different discussion. However, what if we use the same or very similar device, same or similar product, a thermometer, to measure the temperature of a person? Well, now is it a medical device? And what if we tweak the product a little bit? What if we add some bells and whistles? Here we have a little electronic thermometer that's built into a pacifier. It's called a Binky pacifier thermometer. And what if we add a few more bells and whistles? What if we actually transmit that information to a patient monitor that includes their temperature, among other things? As you see in this particular case, we have a sensor on the baby transmitting their temperature, and we could be transmitting a number of other vital signs as well. Is this a medical device? Well, recently FDA gave 510(k) clearance to market a reusable thermometer sensor worn under the armpit that can contain 72 hours of body temperature reading. The wireless thermometer uses Bluetooth to send real-time temperature data continuously to the monitor software, which actually is what we call a companion application, not to be confused with a companion diagnostic, but a companion application accessible via an iPhone. So when we say that the FDA has given 510(k) clearance, that's essentially code speak for saying that FDA considers this to be a medical device. But the question is, does this make any sense? Once again, if we look at a thermometer that we insert into a food product like a turkey, that's clearly not a medical device. But if we tweak it a little bit and we change the indication a little bit, it certainly could be a medical device. My name is Dr. Michael Drews. If you have any questions or you need additional information, feel free to contact me. Thank you for your attention.